Bismillahirrahmanirrahim. La ilaha illa anta subhanaka inni kuntu minaz zalimin. Assalamu alaikum dear students. Welcome to class 6. Today is my lecture number 3 of unit number 2, weather and climate. Now, what is weather and what is climate? Weather is the climatic condition of any one day. If I say the weather is sunny or rainy or cloudy, so it is the condition of only one day. And climate is the condition of the whole year. For example, the climate of deserts are hot. In spite of one day of shower, the climate throughout the year is hot in deserts. The Arctic region, despite a few days of sunshine, has a bitterly cold climate. The climate of a country is very important. It decides what crops can grow there and how people live. There is no point in trying to grow rice on the dry, cold plains of Central Asia nor mangoes in northern Russia. Because, as you know, rice needs hot and wet climate. And bananas need cold climate to grow. Now, the second one is altitude. What is the meaning of altitude? It means ground level, the height of a place above sea level. Look at the picture at the side of the slide. It is Mount Kilimanjaro, which is in Kenya. It is the highest mountain, about 5,200 meters high. Mount Kilimanjaro is almost right on the equator, yet its top is covered with snow all the year round. Its base is near to the equator. As you know, near to the equator the climate is hot. So the average temperature at its base is 30 degrees centigrade. The third point is proximity, nearness to the sea. Proximity means clearness. The temperature of the ocean does not vary. Vary means different, much from summer to winter. Usually the sea keeps places near the coast cooler in summer and milder in winter than those in the interior of the large countries. The fourth point is ocean currents. Currents are the waves. In some part of the world, ocean currents also affect temperature. The cold Humboldt current from the Arctic sweeps clear up the west coast of South America, keeping countries like Peru, which is well within the tropics, quite cool. Atlantic Ocean keeps most of the Europe west coast much warmer than it should be. Then the rainfall. Rainfall is very important in determining means decided the climate of a place. The world average rainfall is between 1000 and 2000 millimeter a year. Through these, there is also a great differences. Places in the Atacama Desert on the western coast of Chile have had measurable rain for hundreds of years. Atacama is known as the driest place on the earth. On the other hand, Cherrapunji, which is in Assam, India, had 22,990 millimeter of rain in 1 year in 1861. This is still the world record. Air pressure. As you know, air has pressure. Air may not seem to have any weight, but it does. It is just that we do not normally feel it. The air pressure is not steady. Steady means fixed. Sometimes air passes more heavily on the earth than at other times. The average is about 1 kilometer on 1 square centimeter. When the pressure is high, the weather is usually fine and dry. When the pressure is low, it is usually stormy and wet. Direction of the wind. The direction from which the wind usually blows also has an effect on climate. It means the direction of the wind has an effect. If a place mainly has north wind, it is usually cold because you know north is a colder region. Because they blow in from Arctic or colder regions. In southern hemisphere, it is southerly wind which are cool. On the southern side, the wind that blow comes from the southern side, so it is cool. If the wind blows across a large area of a sea, they pick up a large amount of water and produce rainy climate. If the place faces north in the northern hemisphere, it is usually cool. The places that is near from north or south is cool, and the places that is near from and near to the equator is hot. If it faces south, it is usually warmer. Places in valley are often sheltered and have warmer climates. This is the end of my topic. I hope all of you have understood it well. If you have any query or question about this, you can ask me. Thank you.